morning. It is Tuesday and it is the 12th of May. Today we're going to evaluate expressions. I have the problem here that I want to demonstrate for you. I'm doing it through PowerPoint slides through Google so you can kind of see what I'm expecting you to do as well with your problems when provided a text box. So the first thing I'm going to do is type in my expression. So I'm going to go G. It's going to change it to a big G, but that's okay. And then I'm going to put H. Then I'm going to go back. I'm going to make this a lowercase g like it was. And I'm going to put a 5. I'm going to superscript this. So I highlight the 5. I go to Format, Text, Superscript. That gives me the power of 5. I'm going to go beside the H. I'm going to give it a 3 because that's the power that the H should have. Highlight the 3. Go to Format, Text, Superscript. All right, so now I have, what I need in order to substitute the values. I have my expression. So I'm going to highlight this and I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go to the next line and I'm going to Control V. Why did I do that? Well, that saves me from having to retype it and go back through the process of putting the power in a superscript. So you can copy it. It's great. So now I go in, I click beside the G, I'm going to backspace, I'm going to plug in the value for G, which should be 2. So I'm going to plug in a 2. For H, I have to plug in, yes, it says 7. So I'm going to plug in a 7 for the H. So now I have my expressions. Okay, we're going to go to the next line. It says I have to take 2 to the 5th power. When I take 2 to the 5th power in my calculator, it is not 2 times 5. It is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 5 times. So if you plug it in as that, or you take 2 to the 5th power, you should get the number 32. Let me go in here. I think this is superscript. So let me see if I can unsuperscript this. There we go. So if you want to undo a superscript, you just go back in and hit superscript and it will undo it. Okay, so now I say 7 to the 3rd power. So 7 to the 3rd power is 343. So I'm going to subtract 343. All right, again, that is 7 times 7 times 7. All right. So the next step is you're going to take 32 and you're going to subtract 343. Then you do not turn it around and say 343, subtract 32. It is 32 subtract 343. So type it in as it is stated. And when you type that in, you should get a negative 311 as an answer. All right, so this is my answer. Okay, and so this is how you should be showing your work for me in your PowerPoint. Hopefully this video will help you see what you need to do and how to do it. All right, good luck. If you have any questions, email me. All right, talk to you later. Bye-bye.